Ever seen sparks fly in the microwave? Let me explain why that happens. Microwaves heat food using electromagnetic waves that make water molecules vibrate, generating heat. But metal objects? They don't absorb these waves, they reflect them instead. When metal has sharp edges like forks or crumpled foil, energy builds up at those points. This energy can jump through the air as sparks. It's called arcing, like mini lightning in your microwave. Those sparks can damage your microwave, burn your food, or even start a fire. So play it safe. Never put metal in the microwave. Stick to microwave safe glass or ceramic.